Hi, good day. I'm Giovanni El Sabayli, 27 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I will show you the 5 standard cut of whole raised chicken. Before I proceed to cutting, I show you how to sharpen my knife using a honing steel in 45-degree angle. Now, let's proceed to cutting. These are the different part of whole raised chicken. Backbone, drumstick, thigh part, wings, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.